9 News Plus weather sponsored by Carrier Colorado. The future of home comfort is here.
Good Tuesday afternoon, and thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Well, we're still getting some filtered sunshine out there, but temperatures, well, they are certainly cold, and I think we maxed out at about 32 degrees out at DIA today. We are going down from there as temperatures starting to cool off out there. Beautiful shot of Fort Collins. Actually getting to see a little bit more blue skies up there. It's kind of a gray, hazy, overcast start to the day up in Fort Collins, but we're seeing a little bit more sunshine. Still have those clouds for the most part over Denver right now. We're at 29 degrees. So again, we maxed out right around 32, I believe, at DIA. Winds out of the east 5 miles per hour. They will be increasing as we head into tomorrow afternoon. We'll talk more about that coming up in just a bit. Let's take a look at those temperatures out there right now. We're at 31 in Greeley, 26 in Lyman, Lamar, checking in at 34 degrees, 40 in Pueblo, 36 in Colorado Springs. Head up to the high country. Kremlin, 18 degrees, Eagle, 25. And out across the western slope, we're looking at temperatures in the 20s and 30s. So your weather headlines for this Tuesday. We do have some light snow moving in overnight tonight into tomorrow. We're looking at inches of snow up in the high country, up in the mountains, and that includes the I-70 corridor. In the foothills, we'll see likely less than ½ an inch, and anywhere from about 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch possible here in the metro area and in the urban corridor. Possible slippery conditions tomorrow morning. So again, the system looks to be bringing snow into the urban corridor area around 6:30 tomorrow morning. So even with the dusting, that pavement can be slick. So just be careful when you head out tomorrow morning and expect some potential flurries out there for your morning commute. And again, we are in store for another cold week ahead. We have some really frigid temperatures in our extended forecast. We'll take a look at those in just a second. Here's a look at your HD Doppler radar. Of course, the active weather, the severe weather to the south and east of us here in Colorado. We're really just under the influence of a northwesterly flow setup, and that is bringing us clouds for the most part right now, but eventually we will start to see that snow. So let's put that forecast into motion here with our future cast, and there you can see this is 11:30 tonight. The snow filters in across the northern mountains. That includes, again, as I mentioned, the I-70 corridor through the mountains. And then as we head into tomorrow morning, this is 6:30 tomorrow morning, you can see some of that snow filter in over the urban corridor, the metro area, and spotty light snow showers up and down the I-25 corridor. By about 11 o'clock, it clears out of the metro area, but still seeing some lingering light snow showers from the Palmer Divide south along the I-25 route. And again, still we're seeing some snow showers up there in the high country. We're actually going to see some off and on snow showers up there in the high country throughout the week as several rounds of moisture drops south into our area and brings us that snow. But then we are clearing out as we head into the day on Thursday. Actually, we're going to see some sunshine here in the metro area up and down the I-25 region, and a break in the snow before another round of snow moves in for the weekend. So how much snow are we talking about? Well, the models differ quite a bit on this, but this is the European model showing about 2/10 of an inch here in the metro area. And again, the accumulations increase as you head into the foothills, and of course as you head into the high country. We're looking at 3.5 inches possible in Winter Park, close to that in Vail, over 2.5 inches in Aspen. So again, the higher accumulations certainly up there in the higher elevations, maybe 3/10 of an inch in Boulder. We're looking at over ½ an inch in Evergreen and close to that in Conifer. Now, the other story tomorrow will be the winds. They are going to increase, especially across the northeast and eastern regions of the state, where we could get 25+ mile-per-hour winds as we head towards the noon hour tomorrow. And that could cause some reduced visibility, especially along I-76 and I-70, not only if we get some flurries out there, but with the snow that's already on the ground. When it blows around with those winds across the interstates and the highways, that could cause some reduced visibility. So something else to be aware of as we head through the day tomorrow, with those winds increasing by tomorrow afternoon. So highs today, yeah, we were forecast 33 degrees. Looks like we didn't quite get there, even though I haven't checked the official high, but it looked like we topped out right around 32. and then 20s up there in the high country. Overnight lows, once again, it is going to be a cold night and therefore a chilly morning tomorrow. 15 degrees your overnight low in Denver. Lyman 10 degrees, Lamar getting down to about 11, and we're looking at negative digits both above and below zero in the single digits, both above and below zero up there in the high country. So again, partly sunny today, mostly cloudy tonight with some spotty early snow showers and light snow flurries in and around the metro area. Then on Thursday, we're looking mostly sunny, 36, actually warming up a little bit as we head into Friday, with temperatures actually getting into the low 40s once again with a little bit of sunshine out there. Saturday, we have a cold front starting to make its way in, and we're going to see likely some snow moving in Saturday into Sunday, and that front is going to drop those temperatures. Check it out. We're going to top out right around 19 degrees on Sunday, dropping down into the negative digits Sunday into Monday. Your high on Monday, 18 degrees, and then we warm ever so slightly back into the 20s by Tuesday, with a little bit of sunshine helping to warm those temperatures. That'll do it for us here on 9 News Plus. Chief Meteorologist Kathy Sabin will be back in at 4 o'clock with your updated forecast. Until then, enjoy the filtered sunshine out there and take care.